Hi everybody, today we are going to discuss about easy signs. To demonstrate the CO2 is needed for photosynthesis. Requirements: potted plant, clamp stand, conical flask, sodium hydroxide, cotton wood, water, lime water, alcohol 70%, watch glass, boiling tube, Bunsen burner, dropper. Procedure: the starch release at potted plant for 72 hours. After 72 hours, dark room, select 2 leaf at same size, insert 1 leaf with conical flask, 1.4% sodium hydroxide, close the cotton into the conical mouth. Sometime insert another leaf, that means second leaf, with conical flask with water equal to sodium hydroxide. Keep the potted plant in sunlight for few hours. After few hours, detach the 2 leaf, put it into boiling water for a minute, and also boiling alcohol get it into decolorized, and wash the leaf into water, test with iodine. Observation: the experiment, the leaf remains unchanged, that is decolorized, while change blue black positive of iodine. Conclusion: the experiment leaf shows the negative test with iodine because of the absence of carbon dioxide. No photosynthesis took place, hence no starch formed. Control leaf, carbon dioxide, 1 leaf get positive test of iodine, the presence of carbon dioxide, the starch is formed, so carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. So only if you changed into blue black color, that's leaf is iodine solution, that's mean carbon dioxide. So only if it change into blue black color.